Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today topic is deploying a static website with AWS S3. Here we have 5 steps to deploy a static website. In first step, we have to create a bucket in S3 with ACLs enabled, and we have to unblock all public access. Let's jump to our console. Here we have to create bucket. I am providing here bucket name. You have to provide a unique bucket name. Then here I am enabling ACLs. Then unblock all public accesses. Let's create it. Okay, must not contain uppercase. Create bucket. Here in our bucket, the second step is to upload all codes. I am going to upload all the codes in my bucket. Let's upload it. Here I am adding files. These are my codes. So I am adding it. And upload it. Yeah, everything is success. Upload successful. Then we close it. Then we upload our folders. CSS folder. Upload it. Upload. It's uploading now. Yeah, upload success. Close it. Uploading another folder. Images. Upload. Yeah, upload succeed. Close it. Now we have to upload JS folder. Here's the JS folder. Upload it. Upload succeed. Close it. Now we have uploaded all the files and codes which we have required. Then go to properties and enable static web hosting. Let's go to properties and we have to enable static web hosting. Edit it. Enable. We have to provide index document, index.html, and the error document, error.html. Then save changes. When we changes this static website hosting setting, we have this endpoint. The fourth step is we receive endpoint as our website DNS, so it works as our DNS. We can change it. Let's try its work or not. We are getting this 4034 forbidden error. We are not getting the website because we have to go for the fifth step. Go to action and make all codes public using ACL. We have to go to our bucket. Inside the bucket, check all the codes, and in action we have to make public using ACL. Make it public. Yeah, successful. So close it and let's check. Reload it. You see here, this is our DNS we can use it at DNS, or we can use our own DNS which we can buy. This is the website is hosting on AWS S3. I'm going to delete these all codes. Delete it. Permanently delete. Delete objects is successfully deleted. After object is deleted, we have to delete our bucket. So give the bucket name and delete bucket. In this way we can host a static website with AWS S3.